learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we are teaching you how to ask where, 在哪里？
D9V
哦，对 ，do 这两个都是 where. Okay, those both mean where. Now, when we say where, it could be that you want to find something, you misplaced it, you want to know where it's at, or maybe a new restaurant just opened up, you want to know where it is, or maybe where did you buy that? 其实问说在哪里，有可能是东西丢了，也有可能是吃到好吃的东西，说，你在哪里买的？
我也想去买。
对，没错。而且这个月啊，我们呢都带大家去这个苗栗三义啊，然后Leo就介绍肚脐饼啊，
我吃过，非常好吃。
你知道吗？吃对我来讲很重要，
看得出来。
OK， 这饼给你吃。Hey, have some cookies right here.
呀饼诶，本唔食。
呀饼诶，本唔食。本就是分给你吃，对不对？本唔食。That means to share with you. And this cookie 饼叫饼诶啊，然后吃了之后觉得 Oh my goodness, it's delicious， 好好吃哦，
很好吃的哦，
好
好吃哦
，delicious， おいしい，这样子对不对？就好好吃。当然就会问在哪里买的啦
D9V 买嘅
，D9V 买嘅，或
者是 Do9V 买嘅。
OK， 我学会了。All right, so it's delicious. Where did you buy this? Our answer is 我在苗栗三义买的。
我的苗栗三义买嘅，或者是我都苗栗三义买嘅。
Okay, that is in Sanyi Township in Miaoli County. Again, a great place to visit. Please listen to our other We Love Hakka segments to find out more what you can do there. But right now, let's review some of these vocabularies such as bing, cookie, or sometimes it's like a cake. Oh, bing.
饼诶
and then 给你吃，分给你吃嘛。
本唔食
and then 当然，おいしい，好好吃 ，delicious。
很好吃的哦，
为什么我们没有吃东西讲这句话就会流口水啊？
因为在幻想。
我太像猪了啦，什么东西一讲就会这样流口水了。很好吃哦，That's delicious, and it's all about asking where 在哪里。D9V or Do9V, and that is for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
自say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.